Hi, I'm Mark Hall, Drip Specification Manager for Rain Bird, and right now we're going to demonstrate how to best install our RWS-S, which is the watering system for shrubs. On the inside of this, there's actually a 5 gallon per hour low flow bubbler, and there's a check valve that holds back 14 feet of water. What we're going to do first is we're actually going to cut this filter fabric, which is also called a drain sleeve, about 1.5 times the distance of the length of the RWS-S. So I'm just going to use regular scissors. These scissors actually are not that sharp. And then, now there is a top and a bottom. The top has like a grate, open grate in it, and the base is flat with no openings. So we take the base, put this in, and we pull the cap off, okay? Now we'll go ahead and tuck this in, probably about an inch worth or so, and then you'll see on the inside this will have your bubbler. Now we'll take this, and in the grate, we want to make sure we center the bubbler in the middle of the grate. So we get that connected. Now once we have that, we can first gently pull down. Now this takes a little bit to get it on, so sometimes what I'll use, which I think gets a firmer grip, is I'll use a rubber mallet. Because most likely they're never going to have to service this or get this open. So this is a nice secure fit. Now, you want to put the gravel in, you take the base off. I'm going to use a scoop for this 1/4 inch pea gravel. It needs to be 1/4 inch or smaller if you're going to do the pea gravel. You can install this without pea gravel, but there's many designers and users that prefer it. So now we shake that a little bit, have it roughly about a 1/2 inch down or so. And then what we'll do is put the cap back on. Again, just a couple little taps. Pull the sock back over. And now all we need is a zip tie to make this complete. I like using black because it's more UV resistant than other types of zip ties, just in case this is left outside for a while before they get installed. So then we just cinch that down, and it's almost ready. We also need to cut off the extra piece of the zip tie, and then we'll use a utility knife and we'll make a small cut, and we'll bring that back in over your elbow, and there it is, RWS ready to install. Thanks for listening.